Good morning. What an honor it is to be here before you today. I bring you greetings from the Fellowship Missionary Baptist Church, where our founder is the late, great Reverend Clay Evans. And I believe that this is an appropriate time to thank God for the way he used Reverend Evans in the civil rights movement. Help me thank God for the memory and the legacy and the life of Reverend Clay Evans. His connection to Reverend Jesse Lewis Jackson allowed Reverend Jackson to found and to birth the push movement out of the basement of Fellowship Church. So every time we walk into the walls, into the rooms of Fellowship, I feel liberation in every room. I feel freedom in every room. And so at this time, I invite you to center yourselves, close your eyes as we go to God in prayer yet again. Let us pray. Gracious God, would you reignite within us the flame of freedom? Reignite within us the flame of justice. Reignite within us the flame of righteousness. And God, as we work to continue to make this world the beloved community that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. dreamed about, we delight in the fact that we know that your power, your grace, your strength, your courage fills every heart and every muscle in this room. We're glad, oh God, that if it's dark, you can light it. If it's broken, you can fix it. If it's hard, you can solve it. If it's heavy, you can lift it. If it's sick, you can heal it. If it's crazy, you can calm it. If it's sinking, you can save it. If it's falling, you can catch it. If it's messy, you can handle it. If it's dirty, you can clean it. If it's sin, you can wash it. If it's a trap, you can break it. If it's ratchet, you can restore it. If it's an addiction, you can conquer it. If it's a battle, you can fight it. If it's a storm, you can use it. If it's water, you can walk on it. If it's fire, you can get in it. If it's pain, you can ease it. If it's closed, you can open it. If it's lost, you can find it. If it's trouble, you can flip it. If it's a lie, you can kill it. If it's a rumor, you can end it. If it's bad, you can change it. If it's Trump, you can deal with it. And if it's dead, you can raise it. Move in this city. Move in our country. And we seal this prayer in the name of the one who's still able to turn water into wine. And let all of God's people say, Ashe and amen.